Hey guys, wanna know how to add borders to your video in DaVinci? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first off, simply open up your DaVinci application. And once you're there, make sure you have imported anything. And then just simply drag and drop it to this timeline right here. Now once you've done that, in order to add borders, just simply select on effects. Now once you've done that, right here you can see this colored border thing right here. Now select once and drag and drop it to the timeline, just like this, and there you have it. Super simple and easy. Now your color borders has been successfully added to your timeline, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.